Welcome to GOYUM, 140 tons per day soybean oil mill plant with extruder installed in West Africa. Designed with advanced engineering and precision manufacturing, this facility combines high productivity with optimum energy efficiency, ensuring maximum value for every customer. The process begins with the raw material receiving and handling section. Using elevators and conveyor systems, the seeds are transported safely and efficiently for further cleaning. The separated silos store the clean seed while maintaining continuous plant operation. The clean seed is cracked by cracker to coarsely disintegrate the seeds. After cracking, the seeds move to the extrusion section where they undergo size reduction and conditioning with GOYUM's high-performing soybean extruder. This stage prepares the material for efficient oil extraction while maximizing oil recovery and maintaining product quality. The conditioned material is then fed into GOYUM's high-performance screw press. Using advanced mechanical extraction technology, the press efficiently separates oil from the seed, delivering higher extraction efficiency while preserving the nutritional value of the oil and meal. The extracted crude oil is collected in tank via Vibro separator. Here, suspended particles are removed to obtain clean crude oil, ready for further filtration. The remaining press cake is conveyed automatically through an integrated material handling system. The pressed cake is first ground into powder by the cake breaker. This powder is then moved to a cake cooler and can be further stored in the cake storage bins. The crude oil passes through the filtration section to remove fine suspended particles, producing clean oil ready for storage. After filtration, oil is stored in bulk oil storage tanks. The integrated control panel provides centralized plant operation with precise process control and equipment protection. We have specially designed integrated structure that provides convenient access for inspection, maintenance, and monitoring. GOYUM's automation and robust engineering ensure consistent performance even under demanding industrial conditions. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to get new video updates.